Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sushi at home. First, let's prepare the perfect sushi rice. Begin by thoroughly washing 2 cups of sushi rice until the water is clear, then cook it with 2 1/2 cups of water. While the rice cooks, combine 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the rice is ready, gently fold in the seasoned vinegar mixture. This creates the essential sticky and flavorful base for your sushi. Now let's get our nori and fillings ready. Place a sheet of nori, with the shiny side facing down, onto your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of prepared sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip bare at the top edge. This space is crucial for sealing. Next, arrange your favorite fillings, like cucumber, avocado, or fish, horizontally across the center of the rice. Don't overfill, as this can make rolling difficult. It's time for the fun part. Rolling. Using your bamboo mat, carefully lift the edge closest to you and begin to roll the nori and fillings forward, applying gentle, even pressure. As you roll, tuck the ingredients in tightly. When you reach the bare strip of nori at the top, moisten it lightly with a little water. This acts as a natural glue. Continue rolling until the seam is securely closed, forming a firm, cylindrical roll. Practice makes perfect. Finally, let's slice and serve your beautiful sushi rolls. For clean cuts, use a very sharp knife that has been slightly dampened. This prevents the rice from sticking. Carefully slice each roll into 6 to 8 even pieces, depending on your preference. Remember to wipe the knife blade clean with a damp cloth between each cut to maintain sharpness and prevent sticking. Serve your freshly made sushi immediately with soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.